Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is step 9, wherein we will clean up the resources after the lab is done. So we're done with the project. We have created an Amazon VPC, different subnets, EC2 instance, install is Apache, web server, connected the web server to the DB instance, accessed it over the public internet, then add the data that was inserted into the database. Now we have to delete the resources so that we don't get charged for the lab that we have done. Unnecessarily the additional cost to save the additional cost. So let me go to the Amazon console and take it from there. Okay, to delete the instance, you must provide the name of the instance, enable or disable the option to take the final DB snapshot, enable or disable the option to retain the automated backups. So this is my database. You select it, actions, you click on delete. It says create final snapshot. I don't want to. Retain automated backups. I don't want to. I acknowledge that upon instance deletion, backups, system snapshots, and point in time recovery will no longer be available. I would to delete me, delete. It is deleting the DB instance, this one, and simultaneously you go to the EC2 console and you have two running instances. Click on it. You delete your tutorial web server, click on it, terminate. Yes, it will delete the EBS volume as well. Let me delete this one as well. Release elastic IPs. Shutting down. Now you go to your VPC console as well. And you click on VPC. You have a default VPC. Let me delete the one that I created. So it will delete the subnets as well. Delete. Security groups, everything, internet gateways, routing tables, everything would be deleted. Right? Now you go to security groups just to check. So you have a default security group only. RDS. It is still deleting. Okay. EC2, they are terminated. So these are the things that we had to delete so that we don't get charged unnecessarily after the lab is done. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.